Hello friends, today's topic, watch out for good returns from these 10 companies at low valuations, a report. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. In the last 2 years, many famous large cap stocks have underperformed the overall markets. At the same time, many mid and small cap stocks have done very well. This is quite common since stocks which are trading at high valuation consolidate for some time while stocks which are cheap do very well for some period until the valuations become expensive. Just like how we are mentioning in our previous videos that generally large caps will do better than mid and small caps in this year due to lower valuations. Economic Times newspaper has published a very interesting article on how money keeps getting rotated from expensive stocks to cheap stocks. Nifty 50 underperformers. Number 1, Asian Paints, 2-year returns minus 8%, 5-year returns 118%, P ratio 53, 5-year average P ratio 82. Number 2, HDFC Bank, 2-year returns minus 6%, 5-year returns 36%, P ratio 16, 5-year average P 23. Number 3, Kotak Mahindra Bank, 2-year returns minus 5%, 5-year returns 35%, P ratio 20, 5-year average P 31. Number 4, Wipro, 2-year returns minus 5, 5-year returns 96%, P ratio 25, 5-year average P ratio 20. Fifth stock, Bajaj Finance, 2-year returns minus 5%, 5-year returns 162%, P ratio 30, 5-year average P 57. Sixth stock, HDFC Life, 2-year returns minus 1%, 5-year returns 69%, P ratio 82, 5-year average P 91. Number 7, Infosys, 2-year returns minus 1%, 5-year returns 135%, P ratio 29, 5-year average P 26. Number 8, Bajaj Finserv, 2-year returns 1%, 5-year returns 171%, P ratio 33 and 5-year average P 43. Number 9, HUL, 2-year returns 3%, 5-year returns 38%, P ratio 54, 5-year average P 67. Number 10, TCS, 2-year returns 11%, 5-year returns 125%, P ratio 33 and 5-year average P 30. If you observe the table, you will notice that most of them have given low returns in the last 2 to 5 years. But now their P ratio is lower than 5-year average P ratio. So it could mean that they were trading at high valuations few years back and because of that have experienced price at a time correction and have become more reasonably valued now compared to the long-term P ratio. Now Nifty 50 outperformers, Coal India 2-year returns 176%, 5-year returns 115%, P ratio 10, 5-year average P 7. Number 2, NTPC, 2-year returns 156%, 5-year returns 204%, P ratio 17, 5-year average P 10. Number 3, Bajaj Auto, 2-year returns 134%, 5-year returns 205%, P ratio 32, 5-year average P 20. Number 4, M&M, 2-year returns 117%, 5-year returns 192%, P ratio 21, 5-year average P 21. 5. Tata Motors, 2-year returns 89%, 5-year returns 470%, P ratio 16, 5-year average P 28. In the list of outperformers, their P ratio was lower than their 5-year average and now the current P ratio is generally higher than the 5-year average P ratio. So more money would have been invested by investors, especially by institutions, and hence the low P ratio would have increased to higher P ratio. Now it is more likely that more money will be put into underperformers due to the relatively low valuations. However, usually when invested on a regular basis, that is SEP, systematic equity plan, in underperformers also would lead to decent to good returns in the long term as long as the fundamentals continue to be quite strong. This is how in shorter periods money keeps getting rotated by institutions from high valuation to low valuation, and when the low valuation companies become high valuation, then the companies at low valuation at that moment attract more investment. So this is the reason analysts are expecting better performance from the underperformers in the next 2 to 3 years. Here is an announcement. ಎಲ್ಲ ಷೇರುಗಳು ಹಿಮಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಲೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ. This is a discussion in Kannada that's happening on 20th February, Tuesday, that is today, 9 to 10 p.m. in YouTube live in Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. End of the video, here is a question. Do you expect the underperforming stocks to do well for the next 2 to 3 years due to lower valuations? Yes or no, your time. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, all the best.